Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT Service Provider. And today's video, you will learn the solution of slow startup problem in Windows 11. If you are a Windows 11 user, then you have to watch this video till end and follow the steps carefully. Before proceeding further, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's start. And first method, you have to press Win R key on your keyboard and then type %temp and then press enter. This is temporary files folder. You have to select it all and delete it. And a second method, you have to click on the start bar, then click on control panel. Once you reach the control panel, click on power options. After clicking power options, select choose what the power button do and open it. After that, change a setting that are currently unavailable and check this box if it's not selected previously. Then click on save changes. If you are not an SSD user, then click on Start bar and click on Defragment and Optimize drives. Once you click it, then click on the Optimize option. In the last step, you have to right click on the Start bar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, select Startup Apps and disable all the unwanted apps in the startup. Right-click on every app you did not want to run in a startup and disable it. With this, you will find your window fast booting and smooth working. And now you are not facing the problem of a slow startup with your Windows 11. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friend. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.